Welcome to the world of mathematics with AR. Let's see how augmented reality can make learning mathematics more fun. This game combines AR technology with traditional games for an interactive learning experience. The questions are arranged from easy, medium, and difficult levels. The level of difficulty of the questions is determined by the colors, which are green, yellow, and red. With AR, students can interact with the questions and get visual help to solve the problem.
Math is a really tough subject for every student, so I think this game can help me to improve my math, especially in differentiation. This game is very flexible because we can play it anywhere we go, including inside our campuses, and I love my traffic.
The first step is to prepare a template that will be included in the application. Apps. Two presentation software are used, namely Canva and PowerPoint. The completed template will be exported into HTML format before being converted into an application form. To create a plane tracker and markerless experience in MetaSpark, the following steps need to be followed. 1. Creating a plane tracker. Plane tracker is used to detect a horizontal surface, such as a table or floor, in a real environment and place an AR object on that surface. The transformation tools in MetaSpark are used to adjust the position, scale, and rotation of 3D objects as desired. 2. Creating a markerless experience. Markerless experiences use face detection or surface detection technology to locate AR objects without the need for physical markers. Elements such as 3D masks or accessories can be used. These apps have been tested on Semester 2 students' Diploma of Mechanical Manufacturing Engineering program. It was found that the percentage of CLO1 and CLO2 for the last 2 sessions increased.
Audio Jungle.